Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to have opportunity to share on some of my thoughts at the Transforming Education pre-summit today. I would like to thank UNESCO for organizing this meeting to provide an opportunity for member states to focus on how education should be transformed so that we can achieve SDG 4 targets. Earlier this month, Thailand was honored to host the regional conference where the 2022 Bangkok Statement was adopted. We believe that there are challenges that will impede our progress, as traditional education systems are not relevant to the new normal and the 21st century, and the skill need to be upgraded with the new way of learning needs to be implemented and adopted. Therefore, the 2022 Bangkok Statement reflects a shared commitment of countries in the Asia and Pacific region to contribute to the achievement of SDG 4. And today we will also discuss the learning this crisis and how to overcome the challenges and caused by adapting to the new normal and the way we manage and deliver teaching and learning in the post-COVID era. The work of the International Commission of Future of Education is commended in this respect and can be used as a guideline for transforming education. In the relevance of this, I agree that the proposed 5 thematic actions are relevant for member states and the guide direction for the global education transformation. Thailand has also put strong effort to expand inclusive learning opportunity to all, including the marginalized and the vulnerable groups. Recognize the flexible learning pathways is vital to current situation. The Ministry of Education has designed customized classrooms to meet the need of the specific groups of learners and respond to their specific learning ability. Moreover, we have worked with the Fund for the Student Loans to provide wider educational opportunity to the learner until the master degree level. The loan is required to pay back with a very low interest and only when the student complete their education and could earn that income. In the term of quality of improvement, we have revisited teaching pedagogies. Our emphasis is on building students' competencies which could enable them to acquire new and relevant skills required for a new world of work. Our ultimate goal is to provide students with critical thinking, creativity, as well as entrepreneurial skills. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the current crisis has uncovered educational gaps and reduced opportunities for many of most vulnerable children, youth, and adults living in disadvantaged and rural areas to continue their learning. Considering this, our policies currently focus on providing wider opportunities for all learners to access education in any form to ensure inclusiveness. In addition, Thailand has made consistent effort to implement several initiatives to bring about online learning platform to guarantee that all the students will continue to access quality learning effectively and efficiently without being left behind. Currently, ICT is applied to ensure equitable access to education for all learners and facilitate them to reach their full potential in order to become a productive and integrated member with the society. Moreover, efforts are being undertaken nationally to transform to a blended learning models, which includes a digital learning platform so students can practice and learn the skill required in their daily lives. Integrating ICT into teaching and learning allows learners to be familiar with the digital technology and can utilize them to obtain relevant skills and competencies required in the digital age. As a result of these, students nationwide will provide with the opportunity to access a wide range of learning resources online. Moreover, the use of ICT will definitely not replace the role of teacher, but it will help support the teachers when they are required to change their role in order to effectively and more meaningfully utilize the new technologies in their classroom and daily lesson. Teachers need to be enabled to access relevant and consistent training to help them adapt to the ICT. In this regard, the Ministry of Education has set up a 3-year plan starting this year for capacity building for teachers. The training will focus on building up knowledge and skill for teachers on pedagogies in line with the active learning and literacy in language and digital skills. As a final thought, I would like to reaffirm that Thailand is ready to commit to working on transforming education and is willing to work with international communities to support the achievement of SDG 4. Thank you.